tight as you can. Try the other one. A little bit better. You get to relax in. Kind of better. Just hold that. And then I'll switch this up. And have that look on your face. That one's a little shaky. So I'm going to pin you into the outside right here. Try and hold that. That gets out here. And then can you raise that full leg up for me? Yep. And try and hold that. That's tough. I'm going to pin the outside joint again. Bring that back up. And that gets better. Good. So I am going to get you turned facing me over this way. You're okay there? Yep. Right there. Perfect. And then I will get you the other way. Same thing. Under. Right, I'll see if there's the other side. Yeah, perfect. Okay. We'll get you back face down. There you go. And one more here, brother. That's it. Sorry, wrong one. I'm going to have you raise that up as high as you can. Perfect.
Welcome to the team.
You get your relaxed there, so we're just
Great. How many workouts?
We got one more for you here, brother. Raise that up as high as you can.
Yeah. The other one we don't want to cheat. I do my own work.
Perfect. Alright, from here I'm going to get you on your back for a minute. I felt your neck better.
Yeah. Start a new routine this week actually. So.
Is it another Chris one or is it?
No, one of my buddies. Forget who. It's some famous guy. I'll try to find a picture afterwards. I forget. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, it's pretty tough thus far. Yeah.
I'm gonna bring you up here. Can you try and hold your head up for me? So actually, that's really good. So it gets relaxed.
Sweaty forehead.
Other one I'm curious about. I'm gonna bring you up here. Can you hold that up for me? I'm gonna see if I can push it. Wiggle your toes for me. That's the other one. Well, that feels a hell of a lot nicer in there.
Yeah.
Sorry for swearing, kids. First rib's stuck in there too still, so we're gonna get into that first rib. That one tends to be pretty quiet. That feels a lot nicer in there. Good. Alright, come on up. You get to relax.